Now, close to 3,000 migrants thronged to Mangaluru Central Railway Station with their luggages after rumours that special trains were arranged to carry them back to their native places. The police is still trying to convince them to go back, saying that no such special train is being arranged or plying for Mangaluru Railway Station. But migrants are now adamant, are protesting right there on the spot, not dispersing from the area. Mangaluru Railway Station, police have been deployed Preston to action to try and disperse these migrants, but they refuse to budge. Most of these migrants are from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Social distancing has now gone for a toss. In fact, police reinforcements have been sent to the station to keep the situation in check, but unfortunately, these migrants refuse to move.
काम नहीं चला, 1.5 महीना हो गया, बैठे हैं अभी तक। ना हम लोग के पास खाने का पैसा है, ना हम लोग के पास राशन का सामान है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे इधर बैठ के? हम लोग काम नहीं करना चाहते, हम लोग गांव जाना चाहते हैं। कोरोना वायरस से तो बाद में मरेंगे इंसान, खाने के लिए पहले मर जाएंगे।
Let's quickly go over to Nolan Pinto for more on this. Nolan, these migrants are not willing to move. They're adamant that they want to go back home. Many of them coming in from UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and far off states in the north. They're waiting for hours now. It's from late last night we hear that they're waiting for a train to ply. First of all, how did this rumor spread? How did this rumor mobilize more than 3,000 migrant workers to come by?
Well, you just heard what they said. They said that they're not scared of the coronavirus or COVID-19. They say that before dying from COVID-19, they will actually die of hunger. So this is being echoed by all those migrants over there. And like you rightly said, from UP, from Bihar. Now, there is this construction boom in Mangaluru, and many of them are working over there. How exactly they got to know, no one knows. But when we actually spoke to them, they say that they were informed that there will be trains that will actually take them back home. And that's the reason why, with bag and baggage, they actually assembled over there. Now, the authorities are trying to convince them. They're not willing to listen. The police are trying to convince them. They're not willing to listen. Senior Congress leaders and MLCs, Ivan D'Souza and Mithun Rai, are also over there. They're trying to sort of build this patriotism amongst them, telling them that standing over there in large numbers is actually dangerous for their health, that there will be trains, but they need to go back. They will look after them, but they're still not willing to listen. So this message that actually
the question remains, are they not being paid their daily wages, Nolan? Are they not being catered to by these respective construction realty builders?
Well, the issue is not about being paid or not paid. Many of them are getting their money. They are also getting their groceries. They're getting their food.
What's
but
their
they
worry
do not want to stay. They do not want to stay. They want to go back. That is it. It is in their mind as of now. We have seen this. We have spoken to migrants over the past few days. They don't care whether food is given or not. They do not care if they're not getting their money. They want to go home to make sure that their family members are safe.
Right. Nolan, thank you very much for joining us. It's sad to see the situation. They're anxious to go back home, to reunite with their families. This is a panic that has spread across owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. Migrants waiting to go home, refusing to budge unless a train is arranged for them to go back.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.